Ever bought a mutual fund just because it was the top performer? Big mistake. And here's the scary part. This could be one of the fastest ways to lose money, even in a bull market. I'm going to show you 5 hidden traps most investors fall for when chasing the best fund, and why the smartest investors avoid them. But stick with me till the end, because I'll share the one way to pick a fund that actually builds wealth for years and most people never hear about it. You see those big numbers in the performance chart and think this is my ticket. But here's the trap. Those returns often come from taking way more risk than you signed up for. Imagine buying a large cap fund for stability, but the fund secretly has 15 to 20% in small caps. When the market rallies, boom, you're a winner. But when it falls, you bleed twice as fast. So before chasing the trophy, ask yourself, can I actually stomach the roller coaster ride that created those shiny returns? Ever heard the line, past performance doesn't guarantee future results? That's not a disclaimer, it's a warning. Funds shine in the perfect storm. Sector funds when their sector is hot, thematic funds when trends spike. By the time you join the party, you might be arriving right before the lights go out. Here's the dangerous irony. The moment a fund hits the top spot, the odds of it staying there drop fast. Would you rather have someone sprint 100 meters and collapse, or keep jogging for 10 years without stopping? The flashy 1-year return is like an Instagram highlight reel. It hides the off-camera breakdown. But a fund that quietly stays in the top 25% every single year, that's compounding magic. Here's a crazy truth. Steady 12% yearly returns can beat a wild 20%, then 2%, then 18% pattern over time. Most people don't realize switching funds too often is like paying rent to your broker. Exit loads, short-term capital gains tax, and worst of all, the lost compounding during every exit and entry gap. It's like pulling plants out of the soil every time you see a shinier tree. They never grow roots. The best fund in one cycle can sink you in the next. That's why pros balance. Large cap for stability, mid small cap for growth, debt for cushioning. When one sail catches no wind, the others keep your boat moving. So if chasing top performers is risky and picking safe ones might slow you down, what's the investor's sweet spot? Here's the short answer. Stop looking for the best and start looking for the right fit. Pick funds that consistently beat the average over years, not months. Invest based on your comfort, not someone else's thrill. Play well together in a balanced portfolio. Then, don't touch them every time headlines stream. Give them years. That's where wealth hides. Because in investing, time in the market beats timing the market every single time. If you found this eye-opening, make sure you share it with that friend who keeps sending you top performer fund lists. And subscribe, because next week I am breaking down exactly how to build the perfect starter mutual fund portfolio for Indian investors.